My name is Baljeet. Welcome to my channel where you do as I say and not as I do. Behind me is my 99 Mitsubishi Eclipse that I'm turning it into the Fast and the Furious Eclipse. If you don't know, please go back and watch the previous episodes where I have started working on it and diagnosed the no start issue and all of that. In today's episode, this is the part 2 of me pulling the head off. In this episode, the goal is to get the head off of the engine block and then inspect it and see what's going on. So let's get to that. Okay, so I am about to pull this head. So if you watched my last video, I have pulled the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold off, and then before that I did the timing belt. So this is pretty much ready from what I can tell. There's nothing hooked up on this side of the head and there's nothing hooked up on this side of the head. I never done this before, so maybe there's something hooked up on the back of the head, but from what I know, or as far as my knowledge is, I don't think there is anything hooked on that should be preventing me to pull this head off this car. So next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my timing to make sure my timing is top dead center, and after that I'm gonna start taking the cam gears off and then pull the cams out and then get to the head bolts. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so as you saw, I pulled the head off the engine. So here is the block. As you can see, it looks pretty clean. As far as I don't see anything abnormal. I will be cleaning up the surface right here. I'll probably scrape it and use my shop vac to vacuum up all that and blow out the thread holes. And here is all that stuff here. Those are the cams. Here's the head gasket. Everything looks, came out pretty good. Hopefully it'll go back as easy as it came off. But let me show you underneath the on the bottom what I found when I let's see. So I'm not sure if you guys can see this right here, that these intake valves right here and then these ones right there, they are the intake valves right there, and then these two, this one right here and that one right there. So those are the cylinders that weren't getting any compression. So you can totally see they are not seating properly, and all the other valves are seating properly. So I did go ahead and went to AutoZone and ordered 4 valves. They were about $10 a piece. So I went ahead to AutoZone and ordered 4 valves. They were $10 a piece. I did look up on Amazon and everywhere else, and these were the milling intake valve part number V1730. So I trust that. And then I checked on O'Reilly and they had the same part number for my car. So I looked on Amazon and eBay, and I didn't trust. I mean, I guess like it would be fine, but the price point was the same. It wasn't, I was saving like ton of money. They were basically the same price. So I went ahead and ordered it from AutoZone. As well as when I was there, I picked up this tool right here. It's says right there, valve spring compressor. So it's basically like a smaller version of a spring compressor. So like I said, I always keep my receipt in there. So it's basically a smaller version of like a big spring compressor that you use for your suspension. So this clamps onto so this part, the bottom, they clamp onto the spring, and this holds it in place while you turn this, and then it compresses the spring. And then I'm gonna try that out. I have never done this before. So that's the next step on this. So now I'm just waiting for the valves to be shipped. They should be here in, like they said, like Tuesday. So today is Sunday. So in a few days they'll be here. That will give me time to clean up the head, get all that. I got some brake part cleaner. It was on sale, and then I watched a few videos. So I'm gonna try to clean on all of that surface and then go from there. And then when I get the valves, I'm gonna try to lap those and do that. But anyway, so that's where I am right now. So let me turn you guys around. So that will be it for today, to this episode. And I did manage to pull the head off of the car, and now I'm just waiting for valves. In the next episode, I'll be cleaning the head out, as well as when I get the valves, we'll be trying to lap those valves and then install them onto the head, and then put the head back on and start assembling everything back into the engine bay. So hopefully that works, and then this car starts. If not, then we'll see. Maybe I'll buy if that doesn't work, hopefully that should work. Worst case scenario, might just have to buy another engine for the junkyard or something like that. Other than that, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button, and also please subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out, and share this video with somebody that would enjoy this kind of content, as well as leave a comment below on how am I doing good, bad, whatever. I will really appreciate any comments that you do. And if you don't like the video, please smash the dislike button. I guess doesn't matter, just I really appreciate any feedback I can get from you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day.